Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to make this beautiful Shanku Chakra Namam wall decor or door decor. How colorful it looks, right? Okay, let's get started. You can take an MDF board. This I got it from a photo shop, the leftover piece. You can also use cardboard, but wooden one lasts longer, so I preferred MDF. I'm using some clay cutouts and molded clay. These clay cutouts came in like 20 or 25 in number for around 200 rupees from Amazon. I can leave the link in the description box if you are interested to buy. It's difficult to shape in the beginning, so I'm also a beginner, so it's difficult to shape. So I have used this trick. So I'm going to take these flower designs and cut them into half in some places and use the whole flower in some places. You can see in the next coming steps. This will be very easy and it will look very neat. Even though you don't mold it, it will still look nice. So you can use this technique for any other designs as well. It will look very professional. So like this I have cut it out. I will cut them into halves and use it. So for the chakram, in the middle I have placed one big flower, and to the four sides I am going to add half of the flowers. I am using Fevicryl to stick them. It's better to use Fevicryl because directly if you stick them, sometimes it may get dropped. So if you are using cardboard, then you will have to apply a thin layer of either white cement with water or wall putty with water to make it little stronger. So like this on all four sides I am going to stick the half flower design, and then make circle and then make the hanging below it. Similarly I'll make the namam and the shanku as well. So like this on all the four sides, half flower shapes I stuck. See how neat it looks. You can't mold this so neatly when you try as a beginner. If you are a clay artist, then you can do that. So for the shanku also I will stick on two sides half flower shape. And then I'll make logs and complete the namam portion as well. I'll make the logs and then gently press it to get that shape. I first traced it out on the wooden board just roughly, just by watching some drawings from internet. But if you are bad at drawing, you can take a printout and then trace it out with a white carbon paper. See, when you make flowers actually just like that, it might differ in thickness, so this will come uniform. So that's why I chose this technique. I'm sure you will love this technique and you will love this wall decor. I'm sure you wouldn't have seen this. This is quite unique. I have not seen it in internet at least. I hope you all will like this. If you are liking this channel a little bit also, please subscribe and like, and please help me grow. So for the shanku part, I am just making a spiral shape. Don't press too much because the spiral may get merged. So just a little I pressed, then added the remaining parts. This is how it looks. Okay, once I completed, I realized that I needed a background color. I would suggest you to first put the background color and then stick all of these, because it's very difficult to color in between the flowers when it is stuck. So I would just suggest you that. That was one mistake I did. So this is how the background is filled. You can choose any color of your choice. I filled black and then make it really colorful. So I'm using red color. Red, yellow and green are three major colors which we use in all the traditional art. So I'm using those colors along with some blue as well. You can also use gold. That will also look nice. And also you can stick some stones and make it really elegant if you want to enhance it. So like this I'm coloring the blue. You can choose any color of your choice. So I'll complete it with these three colors. With the leftover clay, I made 4 more flowers. Like a little clay was left over, so I made those 4 flowers and I stuck them in the corners. With leftover clays, you can make such molds using the molds and keep, so that you can use it in other crafts as well. So like this I'll color the entire design. Voila, your 3D wall decor or door decor is ready. It's giving so much of Tirupati vibes, right? See how nice it looks on a wall. I just added some string after piercing holes. I hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.